Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to create this Zesty birthday lime card with the sweet citrus bundle. Here is my Zesty birthday card using the sweet citrus bundle. This is a special bundle because not only does it have dies, but it has this 3D embossing folder, and you can place this die inside the embossing folder to not only emboss but also to cut out your stamped image. I'm going to show you how this is done. I'm going to start with some Granny Apple Green ink for the rind, and I'm just going to ink this up, and then you can stamp this on a piece of 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 cardstock or larger. And then I'm going to stamp the inside with the Returning in Color Lemon Lime Twist. Very excited to have this color back. It is perfect for this bundle. I love how the two stamped images look together. So now the fun part is we are going to place this inside of our embossing folder. You're going to place the die on the side with the Stampin' Up logo first, and then you're going to place the image behind the die and just move it around until you find the correct placement, and you'll just fold that closed. Next, you're going to place the embossing folder on plate number 1 with the crease pointing towards the rollers, and you're going to put plate number 4 on top and roll it through. And now when you open up your embossing folder, not only will you have embossed pieces, but they will all be cut out for you. And they will have this lovely embossing right where the image was stamped. I think that is really, really cool. So now let's put the rest of the card together. I'm going to start with the piece of thick basic white cardstock, and I'm going to fold it hot dog style, which is I'm going to use the long side and then squirt it 5 1/2 and fold it. I'm going to layer this Flowers and More Hostess Designer Series paper from the mini catalog on my basic white. And I have already embossed a piece of Granny Apple Green with just the embossing folder. I've cut this rectangle out from the Deckled Rectangles dies, and I'm just going to rub some ink off and then just add a little soft bit of ink to the background here. And then I'm going to stamp our sentiment, have a Zesty birthday at the bottom of the rectangle. I have stamped and cut these leaves out with the dies. I'm going to just add them to the card as well. And now I'm going to use some of the Retiring in Color Matte Decorative Dots. And there is my Zesty birthday card. Get my Sweet Citrus card class for free when you purchase the bundle using my current host code or place a $50 order. Just email me and let me know that you would like this Sweet Citrus card kit.